Good morning, everybody. Assalamu alaikum. Peace and blessings be unto you all. Today we are going to discuss about the migraine problem. The chronic headache, migraine problem, and how you can resolve by homeopathy. Homeopathy is a great choice for this migraine trouble to resolve completely, because migraine comes again and again repeatedly, and many times the patient does not know how to deal with it, because every time the medicines taken is abating but again coming back, and sometimes medicine also does not help. So in these cases, homeopathy can be a great help for this solving the migraine problems. Migraine can be one-sided, left-sided, right-sided, even it can cover the whole head. There's many kinds migraine. So depending on how is the symptoms, the homeopath can really decide which medicine to use. And then today I'll discuss 5 of the main remedies which is frequently used for these migraine troubles. In my list I keep number 1 medicine. This is good for the homeopaths also who are listening this video. The main number 1 medicine of migraine is Medorrhinum. Though homeopathy is not gone by the name of the disease, of course it doesn't, but mostly this one medicine fits the migraine cases mostly, that without it probably it will not completely finish off, that is Medorrhinum. And Medorrhinum to be used in the higher potency, in the CM potencies or 1M, 10M, especially long-term migraine need the higher potencies, so can use CM. Only few pills, 1 pills, 2 pills, or even 3 pills in alternate days, or in once in 7 days, or sometimes in your treating the migraine will be used to completely nail down the migraine problem. And the next medicine is the Netramure. If the headache is like a throbbing headache, or the moment it goes under the sun and the headache increases, or with hot headache increases, and is like a small hammer is hammering all around the head, or there is a round iron band which is clasping from all side of the head. And these Netmure patients are very sad. In some kinds, the sadness has set in their mind, and this sadness can be childhood sadness, sadness in the family, sadness. So anything, definitely the person is very sad, and he has got a migraine trouble, recurrent migraine trouble, then surely this Netmure is going to help. It depends. It helps in any potencies, but you can start with 200, and that might help a lot. So the hammering and the band like thing, I have many cases who are resolved with this, who suffered a long portion of their life, and then they have got finish with it with these 2 remedies, Medorrhinum as intercurrent or main remedy also can be, and then the Netramure. So there is another kind of headache is like spurting blood all around and getting hot, and it's just like a not hammering, but it's just like a throbbing kind of it. These throbbing pains anywhere in the body can help by belladonna. Belladonna can use 200, or any other potencies also works, but this throbbing is just like a blood is stuck up in one place and it's just throbbing like this. This can help a lot with belladonna. So even when using other medicines and not working, you can give 1-2 doses of belladonna and immediately feel that throbbing has gone. It might finish the disease. If not, then we have to choose some other remedies. Sometimes it's come on the sides, on the sides, one side, right side or left side, and people cannot see properly, and they just the vision become dim, and then they really get bedridden. So if one-sided remedies, like a one side catching up, it depends. Like if it is catch up only the right side, and every time the cold comes is catch up, then there's a great remedy called the Sanguinaria canadensis. So the Sanguinaria canadensis is one-sided, and so like blood is start spurting. Also on the right side is most affected. This can be Sanguinaria canadensis and always cold effect. So this is very great remedy for one of the great remedy for this. It's a natural remedy for this migraine. Left side, if affect, mostly left side, the patient will say that I'm always having problem with the left side, and this left side neuralgic pain, left side migraine, left side catch up pain and difficulty on the left side, including even heart. So this homeopathy one remedy affects in many places. It can cure many diseases. So you use the spigelia, it can take off the left-sided headache. And sometime the right side, one more remedy is very effective, and that is called lycopodium. And this is if the patients always have the gastric problem or gas problem, always bloating problem, always have some trouble, and always the right side of the body is affected. So this lycopodium also can be one of the great remedy. In homeopathy, there's lot of medicine which can help in the in this migraine problem, but I am telling few of the names which is most frequently used and is really helpful, so that you can nail down the migraine trouble. And one is one of the great remedy is the tuberculinum. Tuberculinum works for the patients who are like a bit thin and always catch up with the weather changes. Anytime weather change, they will come up with the serious migraine problem. My head is like he cannot lift up from the bed. Medicine doesn't work, and it's a huge problem. So they have to take the painkillers and just wait to abate it by itself or change the weather again, and this kind of thing. When the weather changes is affecting seriously, that can be the tuberculinum. So the homeopaths who are listening this is good for them, and you will see most of the cases are turning in this. Even there are a lot of other remedies. If you really find some symptoms, surely that can be used. But these few remedies, especially Medorrhinum and the mure, Tuberculinum, Sanguinaria canadensis, spigelia, these are the main remedies which really helpful in these migraine cases. In my clinic in Singapore, Kimia Noor Homeopathy Center, there I have treated many cases of migraine like this. And also we have a place in USA. From USA, anybody interested, we can contact us. We can really help. Or in this comment section, anybody need any tell this problem, I can also find out a remedy for you, and it will be helpful to you. But it's always good to discuss with your homeopath before taking, or you can discuss with me and can be help yourself. I have a mind to help everyone to get rid of the serious trouble of these migraines and many other diseases, so that I keep this video. So if you are coming across, you have any question, you can put in the comment section and I can help you all the way. Don't do it by yourself. Don't buy the medicine yourself and take, because without homeopathy you don't know exactly which one you need. So you can take help of homeopathy. You can ask me, or you can ask your nearby best homeopathy you can find. So that's how it can be very helpful for the migraine cases, and for sure you will get relieved. Normally, if not 100%, 95% cases, and they will just abate with their headache problems, if not associated with some other trouble. uh, so headache can come for eye problem also. So in that case you have to resolve the eye problem first, So that's the migraine cases can be really helped by this homeopathic thing. Stay blessed, stay healthy, stay nice. Peace be upon everybody. Peace be upon you all. Thank you very much for listening.